What's up, guys? So back with another video here. I'm continuing my coverage on the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. Today we got a case from UAG. This is their Monarch. This is the black one. I was kind of hoping for that red one, but this is the one that they sent out. It's military drop tested 2 times. Yeah, this is like every other UAG Monarch. It uses top grain leather. Here's the boxing. Give you a front and a back. Comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Basically means if anything happens, you get a new one. See if there's a QR. There's a code down here you guys might be able to scan. Alright, let's see how it looks on the phone. The unboxing is just as usual, very simple. Just put here and peel here, and boom. And then there's the case. Pop it out. This guy is probably in the $50 to low $60 range. I don't know 100%. I didn't look. And we got our Galaxy S10 Plus. It's got the white stone dome glass on it, just so everybody is aware. And you simply just pop it in like any other case. Buttons. I know people are going to ask me about buttons. Buttons are very clicky. Not sure if you can hear it. Buttons are clicky, both sides. You got access to all your buttons. You got good grip. This adds an extremely good amount of grip. This is all top grain leather here. Your camera cutout is perfect. You got your screws like you would expect from UAG. Your cutouts on the bottom are all perfectly aligned. Your microphone, your speaker, USB-C, headphone jack, Apple. And you got a little bit of a raised lip. It's not as much as I've seen on other devices. I'm going to try to get it on the camera as best as I possibly can for you guys. And you know, along here, they don't put a lip simply because to be able to, you know, drag it from the sides. So this is the case. This is the UAG Monarch. And, you know, if you're into UAG cases, I think it's a most definite thumbs up. Great buy. And that's how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. I'll be using this on my daily now. Also, it's not bulky and it's not heavy. It almost adds no weight to the phone. It feels like I'm holding the bare phone in my hand. Alrighty, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up. Share it around, you know, the usual. Alrighty, guys, see you in the next one. Peace.